Hi everyone, I will explain about my task card and for my and the plane we are currently repairing is Cessna 172 and our working hours for due inspection is 18-hour inspection. For the for the task is remove air filter and we have some note carefully when opening screws. Do a detailed inspection for removal. And we have some unsatisfied is through serials 1727357 and F172020229 to remove 4 machine screws from metal trim around air filter and remove trim beginning with serials 1727358 and on, and F1720203 and on. 4 machine screws are replaced by 4 quick release fasteners. In second release, 4 quick release fasteners curing refilter element to cool and remove element for cleaning for replacement river to section 2 for servicing. Satisfied? Make sure the mechanic double check on the induction air system. This is my signature and the stamp for company, the date do our inspection, and here is for mechanic to release my tax card is Muhammad Maskan Jamil with OTN number and then signature, and we have some release data is next installation air filter. Do carefully when installing air filter and machine screw. Do a detailed inspection for installation, and we have some special tools is available: washer, machine screw, nut, power supply, and air filter. And we have some unsatisfied is reverse the preceding steps for reinstallation. And the satisfied is don't forget to retighten the machine screws. And same next is remove induction air box. We have some knot is carefully when loosen hose clamp. Do a detailed inspection for removal, and we have some unsatisfied is remove cooling as required for access in accordance with paragraph 1123. And the second mark the intake pipes as they are removed from the engine, so they might be reassembled in the same location from which they were removed. The third loosen hose clamp and slide hose connection from sumps, and remove any clamps attaching wires or lines to the intake pipes. The fourth, we have some remove the nuts, washers, and lock washer at cylinder. Remove intake pipe and clean gasket from cylinder mounting pad and inside pipe flat. And we have some satisfied is put the nut in safe place. Still the same with and installation induction airbox. Installation induction airbox for the note is carefully when installing intake pipes. Do a detailed inspection for installation. And we have some special tool for the unsatisfied is reverse the preceding steps for installation. For the satisfied is use new gasket and install intake pipes and the same location from which they were removed. Still the same. Oh, maybe this is for the last my presentation, and thank you.